Hi friends, now I am taking one more problem on half range cosine series and sine series for the function f of x is equal to x in the interval 0, L. So before we are going to do this problem, let us recall formulas of half range Fourier sine series in the interval 0, L, half range cosine series, half range sine series. So half range cosine series is given by f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. Here a0 is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. An is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. Just a0 an, find out a0 an and substitute in equation number 1 like this equation number. So half range sine series f of x is equal to n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, where bn is equal to 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Let us follow these formulas by calculating this problem. So let us solution. So here f of x is x. So let us go with half range Fourier cosine series. So cosine series. So let us define cosine series according to this formula. F of x is equal to x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. So which is equal to, which is called equation number 1. Here unknown values are a0 an. Let us go with finding a0 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x dx. So in this problem interval is 0, L. So 2 by L integral 0 to L x dx. So integration of x is x square by 2 0 to L, 2 by L is there. Then 2 by L into L square by 2 minus 0, second limit. Then simplification is 2 by L into L square by 2. Then LL cancel, 2 cancel. So only L. Therefore a0 is equal to L. And coming to an, 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x cos n pi x by L dx. So let us go with Bernoulli's rule. 2 by L into integral 0 to L f of x is x cos n pi x by L dx. So this is you can apply UV formula. So 2 by L into x into integration of cos n pi x by L is sin n pi x by L by derivative of this one is n pi by L, and minus differentiation of x is 1. Again integration of this one is minus cos n pi x by L by n pi by L already is there, n pi by L whole square. Again will come one more time. So this is the last term because next term will be 0 to L. Then so I can neglect here also sine terms because sin n pi 0, sin 0 also 0. So and cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power of 1. Keep these formulas. In every video I have given these formulas. Please follow my videos. It is very clear. And 2 by L. So I can neglect this one because after finishing, after substituting also it will come sin n pi sin 0 in numerator. So anything by 0 is 0. 0 into anything 0. That's why I neglect this one. I am only taking this one. So minus into minus plus cos n pi x, x means L, n pi L by L by n pi by L whole square. This is first limit minus cos 0 by n pi by L whole square. So what is the common here? N pi by L whole square common 2 by L into, so n pi by L numerator goes to L square by n square pi square. This is common, and cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power of n, cos 0 minus 1. So which is equal to, then simplification LL gets cancelled. So which is equal to 2L by n square pi square. So which is valued only n is odd. So for suppose I can rewrite this one, an is equal to, please listen to carefully. So this is for suppose n is even, what happened? 0. 0 if n is even. N is odd, what happened? Minus 2, it will come minus 2, minus 2, minus 2. Already 2 is there, minus 4L by n square pi square if n is odd. Therefore, I can substitute a0 a values, an values in equation number 1. X is equal to a0 by 2, that means L by 2 plus summation n is equal to 1, 3, 5 and so on, because only odd, minus 4L by n square pi square into cos n pi x by L. This is the cosine series for the function f of x is equal to x in the interval 0, L. Now sine series, we are going to find sine series for the same function in the interval 0, L. So I can sine series. What is the formula for sine series? F of x is equal to x summation n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L, which is called equation number 1 for this model. So which is equal to, where a bn we are going to find bn 2 by L integral 0 to L f of x sin n pi x by L dx. Let us substitute f of x value as x integral 0 to L x into sin n pi x by L dx. Again apply the uv formula. This is uv, Bernoulli rule. So this is equal to 2 by L into x into u v1. v1 means integration of sin n pi x by L is minus cos n pi x by L. The derivative of this one is n pi by L, and minus derivative of x is 1. Again derivative integration of this one, minus as it is sin n pi x by L by n pi by L. Again will come, already one time is there, so n pi by L whole square. Next term will be 0. So again I neglecting the same term because L is replaced by x. L gets cancelled, it will become sin n pi. Sin n pi is always 0 for all n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So that's why I can neglect this term. So only I am taking this term, 2 by L into minus first limit L into cos n pi by L into L by n pi by L, and second limit will be 0 because multiplication by x, 0 into minus cos 0 by n pi by L. So I can neglect this one because of sin n pi 0, sin 0 is also 0. So the simplification, this total is 0. So again we'll simplify this one. Simplification is two by L into LL gets cancelled, and this is numerator goes to minus L square by n pi into cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power of n. Cos n pi minus 1 whole to the power of n. Then simplified one is then LL gets cancelled one time, 2L by n pi into minus 1 whole to the power of n already is there, and one more time minus 1 adding this one, so bases are equal, powers are adding. This is the answer. So therefore Bn is equal to 2L by n pi minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1. This is Bn value. Then conclusion is substituting Bn value in equation number 1. Therefore f of x is equal to so I can write this one 2L by pi into summation n is equal to 1 to infinity, and this is 1 by n sin n pi x by L. So this is the final answer. Sometimes it will be simplify this one. The simplified answer is 2L by pi for n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1, so this is minus 1 whole to the power of n plus 1 missing. So n is equal to 1 means sin pi by L plus 1 by 2, n is equal to 2, sin n is equal to 2 means 2 pi by L. N is equal to 2, what happened? It will come minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1, 2 pi by L, 2 pi x by L. This is pi x by L. Plus 1 by 3 sin 3 pi x by L plus some square. This is the final answer. This is only for sine series. So cosine series I already given. This is cosine series. Thank you.